Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Peugeot 2008. I'm going to show you around some of the basic features of this car to help get you up and running. So let's have a look around. Your lights and indicators are controlled on the stick to the left of the steering wheel. If you move the stick up, you indicate right, down to indicate left. You can rotate the control anti-clockwise to move through the different lighting options such as side lights and headlights. To activate the full beam, pull towards you. To leave it on, just pull that a little bit further. The wipers are controlled by the stick on the right hand side of the steering wheel. If you move this down, you can activate or deactivate auto wiper mode. Move up to go through intermittent, slow speed and faster speed wipers. If you need to use the jets, pull towards you and hold. Choose the rear wiper, rotate this clockwise. And if you need to use the rear jets, rotate clockwise once more. The controls for adjusting the wing mirrors is located on the driver's side door. This slider is used for controlling either the left or right hand side wing mirror. The directional buttons above, they allow you to adjust the position accordingly. And if you need to fold in the wing mirrors from inside the car, put the slider in the middle and pull down. The latch for opening the bonnet is located in the passenger side footwell. To connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth, click Bluetooth search. You'll need to make sure Bluetooth is switched on your mobile phone, and after a short search it will find the device. Click the phone once it's been found, and here it will come up with a PIN number which you need to accept on both the car and on your phone. Then select how you would like to use the Bluetooth, and then it's synchronized. There are two different types of air conditioning units you might have in your 2008. This is the manual air conditioning unit. On the right hand side here you've got your temperature control. The middle dial lets you change the power of the fans. On the left hand side you can change the position of the airflow. In the middle here, this is your air conditioning on and off button. If you have dual zone air conditioning, you can control the temperature via these buttons on the side. You can switch on air conditioning, switch off. Control the fan speed via these buttons at the bottom, and then change the position of the air using the button on the left. The car also features cruise control with a speed limiter. This is located to the left hand side of the steering wheel underneath the controls for the lights and indicators. The dial in the middle, this controls whether you're on speed limiter, which is at the top, or cruise control at the bottom. There's two buttons on the back. The top one sets the speed that you're currently doing. You can press the button again to increase the cruise control speed, or press the button below to decrease the speed. There's also this button on the end which can pause cruise control. If you require further assistance with the controls of your vehicle, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. We wish you many happy journeys in your new car and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.